How to change WhatsApp notification sound. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on notifications. It will take you to this page from which you can change all of the notification sounds by feature. For example, you can change the notification sound of messages. Say for example, choose any one of these custom ones. Also, you can change the notification sound of groups. Say for example, you can also choose whatever sound you want. There's a large list that you can choose from. And also you can choose and change the notification sound of the ringtone. Say for example, you can choose any one of these. So that was it for this video. That's how you can custom and change notification sounds on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.